Wake up, Anna. Today is the day of our big trip to the city. I am awake, Mommy. I am very excited to see the big airplanes. That is great. Please get ready quickly because we must leave home soon. Here is your teal backpack. You can pack your favorite things inside it.
I will take my brown teddy bear because he likes to travel too. He fits perfectly in the bag. Now I need to find my storybook. Where is my blue book? I see it on the wooden desk. I have the book now. It has many pictures of beautiful places. Everything is ready. I am closing my small teal backpack right now.
Anna, come to the living room. Your father is checking the large suitcases.
I am making sure we have all our clothes for the long holiday.
Look, Daddy! I packed my own bag with my bear and my book.
I have the passports in my pocket.
We are almost ready to go. I have the digital tickets on my phone. Everything is looking very, very good.
Is my small teal backpack too heavy for me to carry alone?
No, it is light. You are a very strong girl and a great traveler.
It is 7 o'clock. We need to go to the car right now.
I am carrying these heavy suitcases to the front door for us.
Let us go. A wonderful adventure is waiting for our happy family today.
All right, these suitcases are heavy. Got it? Got it. Now to close this up. I am placing the heavy bags in the trunk so we can start our long trip.
I am climbing into my comfortable seat because I want to see the beautiful blue sky.
We must hurry because the airport is far and we want to arrive on time today.
Everyone is ready in the car and I am starting the engine for our big journey. The sleek blue car leaves the suburban driveway and moves slowly toward the main city road.
Look at the tall trees passing by our windows as we drive to the giant airport.
You are looking carefully today, and the weather is perfect for a very long plane flight. The car drives onto a massive suspension bridge high above the deep blue water of the bay.
We are crossing the big bridge now, and you can see the city from this high road.
The water below looks very small because we are driving so high up in the air.
This bridge is very famous, and it connects our quiet town to the busy international airport.
Many cars stop on the road because there is a small traffic jam on the bridge. Oh no, the traffic is moving very slowly and we need to wait for a few minutes.
I see many different cars and a big red bus waiting in the long line with us.
Do not worry about the time because we started our trip very early this sunny morning.
I can see a giant airplane flying high above us in the bright and clear blue sky.
That airplane is very large and maybe we will fly on a plane like that very soon.
The traffic jam is over, and the sleek blue car moves quickly toward the airport gate.
Look at that large sign over there, because it says the airport terminal is very close now.
I am driving faster now because the road is finally clear and the airport is right there. The family arrives at the busy airport terminal with many glass windows and bright neon signs.
The airport terminal is very big, and many people are walking around with their heavy suitcases.
We need to find the check-in counter so we can give our large suitcases to the airline.
Look at that friendly man at the counter, because he is waiting to help us right now.
I have my small purple passport in my hand, and I am ready to start our trip.
The family stands at a bright white counter while the helpful staff checks their tall paper tickets.
I am lifting the heavy blue suitcase onto the black conveyor belt for our long flight today.
Look at my yellow suitcase move away, because it is going on a very long journey alone.
Do not worry, because your bag will meet us when we arrive at the sunny beach later.
The colorful luggage disappears behind a small black curtain and moves deep into the busy airport.
Now we must go to the security gate to make sure everyone is safe on the airplane.
The security line is moving very fast, and I see a tall metal scanner in the front.
We must put our shoes and jackets into these gray plastic bins before we walk through it.
I am putting my watch and my phone in the bin because the machine is very sensitive.
I am standing very still with my hands up while the high-tech machine scans my yellow jumpsuit.
The family passes through the security gate safely, and they collect their personal items from the belt. Put your shoes on quickly, because we need to find our flight on the giant digital screen.
There are many flights on this board, and we must look for the name of our city.
I see a bright light on the screen, and it says, "Our flight is at Gate 10.
You are very clever for finding that, because the airport is a very busy and confusing place.
Let us walk down this wide hallway because Gate 10 is at the end of the building.
I can see the giant airplanes through the large glass windows, and they look very beautiful today.
The family walks together toward their gate while the sun shines through the clean terminal windows.
Look at that giant white airplane parked outside near the big glass window right now.
That is our plane, and it will take us across the ocean to our new home.
We must join the line, because the airport worker is calling our flight number now.
The family stands in a long line and waits patiently to show their boarding passes.
Here are our tickets and our passports, so we can enter the long jet bridge today.
The jet bridge is very narrow, and it feels like a secret tunnel to the plane.
They walk slowly through the carpeted tunnel toward the entrance of the very large airplane.
Keep walking straight, because we are almost at the door where the flight crew waits.
I can see the pilots inside the small cockpit through the open door right there.
Hello, ma'am. I am very excited to fly on this big white airplane for the first time.
Thank you for the warm welcome as we board this flight to our next big adventure. The family moves inside the cabin and looks for their seat numbers above the windows.
Our seats are in row 15, which is near the middle of the long airplane cabin.
I found seat 15A, which is right next to the window so I can see everything.
I will put our heavy bags in the overhead bin so we have space for our feet.
The seat is very comfortable, and I have a small television screen in front of me.
Please sit down and pull the black seatbelt across your lap until it clicks loudly.
I am buckled in, and now I am ready to watch a fun movie during the flight.
Look out the window because I can see many luggage trucks moving on the wide runway.
The sun shines on the airport runway while the ground crew finishes loading the heavy suitcases. We must turn off our electronic devices because the airplane is getting ready for takeoff now.
The engines are making a loud noise, and the plane is starting to move very slowly.